So hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and again welcome to the Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about 4 different off-campus drives. So before discussing further, I'd like to say sorry guys, we couldn't upload video. It has been like more than 20 days we didn't upload any video regarding latest off-campus. So sorry for the delay guys, and before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates like this, like KPMG, IBM, Capgemini and all. And yeah, one more thing, you can join our Telegram channel as well for more job off campus updates. So these are like 4 different off campus drives we'll be discussing. First one is the KPMG, and second one is the Mahindra and Mahindra, and third one is the Swiggy, and fourth one is the Tech Mahindra company. So one by one we'll be discussing. So please watch this video till the end, because the different company has the different hiring process and the eligibility criteria. So please watch this video carefully. So the first company name is KPMG. We all know it's like very good company and very good MNC analytical company. So it's hiring for the analyst profile, and its location is pan India. That means you can join Bangalore, Pune, or any location you can join. So these are the qualification required business analyst profile they are hiring for, and the like key responsibilities are the like good IT skill and the operations, sourcing, banking, on the like technical skills. If you ask me about these are the like operating system knowledge, DBMS, C++, Python, any of the like coding languages, and the object oriented programming knowledge, and the minimum qualification required is BE, BTech, MCA, MSc in the computer science and all. And there are many like technical developer they are hiring. Technical developer, these are the like minimum things required. Business analyst, for the business analyst, MBA with a BTech or BE degree must for the business analyst. And the PMO, that means project manager profile, bachelor's degree, MS Office, good project or the intensive experience. That means the like high level profile, it is like minimum 5 to 6 years of experience with the like prior PMO experience. Then the qualification minimum 60% is required throughout your academic career with no pending backlogs. And these are like things you need to take care of. And if you're willing to apply for this off campus, simply click on the apply online button, then you will be able to apply. So it's a little bit lengthy process, so that's why I am skipping the detailed process. So then now let's move to the next company. So Mahindra and Mahindra, it is hiring for the graduate apprentice trainee. So like it's a IT profile only, because that means if you see they might have mentioned working on software development projects. And freshers can also apply, and it is freshers in the sense 0 to 1 year of experience candidates can apply, and B or BTech and computer science background candidates only can apply for this off campus. Then now if you are willing to apply, then you can click on the apply now button. Then there will be 2 options: start apply with LinkedIn or apply now. For apply now, you need to create an account in their career portal, then you can apply. So now let's move to the third company or the third job profile. So Swiggy, it's as you all know, like it's a very good product based company, and it is hiring for the process automation analyst. And like deadline is starting from like 6th December 2021 to 27th December 2021. Like this is the deadline to apply for this off campus application deadline, and that means 18 or 16 to 17 days are left for this off campus. So now let's discuss about the skills required for this off campus or particular job profile. Develop end-to-end web application REST API knowledge is there, because it's mandatory. Then skills required: graduate or postgraduate with computers as a major, BSc, BCA, MCA, MSc, ITCS. Only the ITCS candidates can apply. But one more thing I need to I'm willing to highlight here: if you are belong to any non-IT background, triple E or mechanical or civil, electrical, etc., then still you can apply, because if you have the relevant skill, if you have a real experience or any hands-on experience, then your branch does not matter. So I suggest all of you to go for this. We no one knows about your destiny. Then PHP, MySQL or SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, Servlet or OS, Git or the Bitbucket. These are the things you need to know about. And if you are willing to apply for this off campus or participate in this like off campus challenge, then simply click on the register now or register button, then you will be able to apply. So now let's move to the like last company or the like fourth company. So it is the Tech Mahindra company, and it is for the like BTech or MCA or MSc candidates can apply for this off campus. So now let me tell you about the like branch criteria. So computer science, computer engineering, IT or EC or ETC or telecom, communication, electronics or MCA computer science background candidates can apply. Okay, so now let's move to the like percentage criteria. 60% minimum required throughout your academic career. Minimum 60% is mandatory, because they have in the red color they have highlighted this thing. And yeah, one more thing, it is only for the 2020 and 2021 year of pass out or the batch candidates. And if you belong to the 2021 batch or pass out candidate, if you are, then you must have like a mark sheet or the provisional degree certificate you must be having. No need to have your final degree certificate, but you must have the provisional certificate or your like mark sheet of your 8th semester. You can download from your like institution website, or you can do whatever it is possible for you. So candidate meeting the eligibility criteria will be invited for the visual and the protected online test in about 1 to 2 weeks. So I have seen that most of the time the like candidates, those who have applied for the Tech Mahindra off campus, ask me when will be able to get the when we'll be able to attend the off campus or the written test. So here is the question answer or the like solution. I most of the time advised to wait for maximum 15 to 20 days. So here it is 7 to 14 days. Within 7 to 14 days you will be receiving a test link, and the written test, simple aptitude, communication and the reasoning questions will be there. No need to worry about that. You can like pass easily if you have practiced all these things. You can easily crack the like written test. And upcoming videos will be discussing about like how to like prepare and all. So for the timing, just go through the application process. And one more thing, if you have appeared for any off campus for Tech Mahindra in the last 6 months, then you cannot apply. And you may use your different like email address or the like phone number to apply. Like it's say all used to follow the same process or the step. So these are like 4 different off campus drive. So I'll be putting the links of the like 4 different off campus in the description of this video. Go through the links and check your eligibility criteria and apply for this off campus before they get expired. So I hope you all are able to understand the eligibility criteria and all. If you have any doubt regarding this off campus or any other off campus anything, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below. Would definitely like to help you as much as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.